You're welcome to today's class. In today's Math 101 class, we'll be looking at partial fraction. We'll be solving this partial fraction problem. Then we are asked to resolve 3x plus 2 over open bracket x plus 2 close bracket open another bracket x minus 5 close bracket into what? Into partial fraction. Then let's rewrite this expression here first. We have 3x plus 2 over x plus 2 x minus 5. Now if I'm to break this one down, I will have it as what? A over what? Over this first one, that is x plus 2 plus b over this second one, that's what? X minus 5. Yes, I will show you a secret about partial fraction here. Okay, so to solve this one further, let's rewrite it again. Okay, so we have 3x plus 2 over this x plus 2 another bracket x minus 5 equals to. Now if I'm to find the LCM of this and this, I will find the LCM of this and this. If I'm to find the LCM of this and this, if you remember in mathematics, if I have 1 over x plus maybe 2 over y here, if I'm to find the LCM of this and this, I will do what? I will multiply this and this together. That is, LCM of x and y will be what? X, y. So likewise, if I'm to find the LCM of this and this, I will multiply both of them together, which will give me what? That will give me x plus 2 x minus 5. So that is the LCM. So after getting the LCM, what will I do? I will say this LCM divided by this. That is xy divided by x. Whatever I get, I will now use to multiply the numerator, right? And you know, xy divided by x will be, this x will cancel this. I will left with y. I will use y to multiply it. So likewise, this LCM divided by this. If I use this LCM here to divide this will cancel this. So I'll be left with what? X minus 5. So I will now use x minus 5 to multiply a. So I will have a into bracket x minus 5 plus. Now if I divide this LCM by this x minus 5, this x minus 5 will cancel this x minus 5. I'll be left with what? X minus x plus 2. I'll be left with x plus 2. So x plus 2 times b, that is b into bracket x plus 2. Okay, now if you look at this very well, you will see that the denominator here is also the same thing as the denominator here, right? The denominator at the left hand side is equals to the denominator at the right hand side. So this will cancel what? This. Okay, I'll be left with this equals to this. That is, numerator at the left equals to numerator at the right. So I will have 3x plus 2 equals to a into bracket x minus 5 plus b into bracket x plus 2. Now in partial fraction, if I want to get b, if I'm looking for b and I want a to be equals to 0, what will I do? If I'm looking for b and I want a to be equals to 0, what will I do? I will make sure that everything beside a here is equals to 0. Because if everything beside a is equals to 0, if I used to multiply it will change to 0, right? So how will I make everything here to be equals to 0? I will only need to replace x with a number. So what number can I put here that everything here will be equals to 0? If I put 5 here, it will be 5 minus 5. It will be equals to what? 0. So I will say let's x equals to what? I will say let x equals to 5, right? So if I put 5 here, it will become 0. So that if I say let x equals to 5, I will replace everywhere there is x with 5. So here will be 5, right? 5 times 3 will be what? It will be 15, right? 5 times 3 will be 15. Then 15 plus 2, it will be what? 17. So at my left hand side, I have 17 equals to. Then here now, it becomes what? It becomes 0, because if I put 5 here, it will become 5 minus 5, and that will be equals to 0. So 0 times a will be equals to what? 0. I don't need to write it. So coming back here, I will have b into brackets. Now, if I put 5 here, it become what? Here will become 5 plus 2, right? And 5 plus 2 will give me what? 7. So 7 times b will give me what? 7b. Here will be 7b, right? Okay, so to get b now, what will I do? I will divide both side by 7. So I will now say b equals to what? 17 over 7. Okay, if I divide by 7, it will be 17 over 7. So b is equals to 17 over 7. I've gotten b to be 17 over 7. Then I want to get a now. I will then make this, I'll make sure that everything here is equals to 0. I want this b to be equals to 0 here. I want everything here to be equals to 0 to get the value of a. Here I replace it with 5. Now I want to replace the value of this x to ensure that everything here is equals to 0 to get the value of a. So what will I do? What number can I put? Can I replace this x with? What number can I replace this x with? If I'm to replace this x with a number, what number can I put here to make everything equals to 0 here? I can't put 2 here, because if I put 2 here, it will become 4. 2 plus 2 will become what? 4. But I can put minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, it will give me 0, right? So I will say let x equals to what? Minus 2. So at the left hand side, if I put minus 2 here, to minus 2 times 3, that will be minus 6 plus 2 plus 2 equals to a into bracket. Now, if I'm replacing x with minus 2 here, it will become minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5. Okay. Here will become 0. Why? If I put minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 2 will give me 0. So 0 times b will give me what? 0. So let's proceed. Here we have what? We have minus 6 plus 2 will give me minus 4 equals to a into brackets. Minus 2 minus 5. That will give me what? Minus 7. So here I have minus 4 equals to minus 7 times a, minus 7a. Okay, so minus we cancel minus. Then I will be left with 4 equals to what? 7a. So to get the value of a, I will divide both side by 7. This will become a equals to 4 over 7. We have gotten the value of a to be equals to this, and the value of b to be equals to this. Then I want to replace them into this. Then I will have what? Let me write everything here back. I will have 3x plus 2 over x plus 2 to bracket x minus 5 equals to. Then instead of me to write this a, I will replace it with what? 4 over what? 4 over 7. That is 4 over 7 over x plus 2 plus. Instead of me to write this b, I will replace b with what? 17 over 7. So here I have 17 over 7 all over x minus 5. So I can further solve this to be what? 3x plus 2 all over x plus 2 x minus 5 equals to, this is the same thing as 4 over 7 into bracket x plus 2 plus 17 over 7 to bracket x minus 5. That is our final answer. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Please consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your loved ones. Thank you. See you in my next video.